Hello viewers, today we'll see the area and perimeter formula. Area meaning inside the inner part of the plane figures, and the perimeter is the outer part of the plane figures. So first let's see the perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle will have length and breadth. So perimeter is sum of all the sides. Here it's going to be L plus B plus B, which is going to be 2L plus 2B. So by taking out 2 in common, it's going to be 2 into L plus B. So that's the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Outer part of a plane figure is the perimeter, and the inner part of the plane figures are the area. So with this, we can solve the exercise 15a and b. So perimeter of a square, if you take all the four sides are same and let it be s, so it's going to be s plus s plus s plus s, which can be written as 4 times s, as multiplication is a repeated addition. Next we can see the perimeter of triangle with 3 different sides as a, b and c. Then perimeter is going to be sum of all 3 sides, that is a plus b plus c. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle, if you see all 3 sides are equal. So let's take the sides as L, then it's going to be 3L units. So that's the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Next we will see the area of a triangle with side S. Each side is called S, of length S. Height H. So area of triangle is half into base into height. And if you see the base, it's actually height is dividing it into 2 halves. So it's going to be s by 2, s by 2. That's the base s. And by, if you see it's a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square equal to sum of base square plus perpendicular square. So here s is the hypotenuse and h is the height, and s by 2 is a one part of the base. So it's going to be s square, that's hypotenuse, equal to sum of base square plus perpendicular square. So it's h square plus base square is s by 2. So s by 2 whole square. So we are seeing for the equilateral triangle, what's going to be the height and area. All the 3 sides are same. So that's going to be written as h square equal to s square minus s square by 4. So we need to take LCM. So it's going to be 4s square minus s square by 4, which is going to be h square equal to 4s square minus 1s square, that's 3s square. So h square equal to 3s square by 4. H square equal to 3s square by 4. So by removing the square root, h is going to be, height is going to be square root of 3 into s by 2. So that's the height. Now we got the height, we can substitute in the area of the triangle formula to get the area of the equilateral triangle. which is a little bit different. So area of an equilateral triangle equal to half into base into height. So here we know half into bases, total bases S. S by 2 is half of it. Total bases S into height is square root of 3 into S by 2. So that gives the area of an equilateral triangle as square root of 3s square by 4. So all these formulae are required to solve the exercise 15A and B. So if we are clear with how they are arriving, it becomes easy to solve the exercises. So this is for the equilateral triangle, area and height. Next for the rectangle. So to cover the area of a rectangle, it's going to be L into B. That's cover the inner part of the rectangle. Next, area of square is equal to S into S, as all sides are equal. So with area and perimeter, we can solve the area and perimeter for plane figures exercise.